Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Slack apps using OAuth scopes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Slack apps using OAuth scopes, start by logging into your Slack workspace. Navigate to your app settings within the Slack API dashboard. Locate the OAuth and Permissions section on the left sidebar. In this section, you will find a list of scopes that your app can request. Review the different OAuth scopes to determine the permissions your app needs. Next, add the necessary scopes by clicking the Add an OAuth Scope button. Select the required scopes from the drop-down menu and confirm your selection. Once you've added the desired scopes, scroll up to the top of the page. You will find your app's OAuth URL listed under the OAuth Tokens and Redirect URLs heading. Copy this URL for authorization purposes. Open a new browser tab and paste the OAuth URL into the address bar. Press Enter to initiate the authorization process. You will be redirected to a Slack authorization page. Here, you can review the permissions that the app is requesting. If you agree to the permissions, click the Allow button to authorize the app. After authorization, you will be redirected to the specified redirect URL. At this point, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful authorization. Take note of the access token provided on this page. This access token will be essential for your app to interact with the Slack API. With the token in hand, you are now ready to integrate your app with Slack using the specified OAuth scopes. That concludes the tutorial on how to authorize Slack apps using OAuth scopes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.